Google and Facebook are good at tracking clicks and leads, but what about sales? How can you get accurate data about which ads are bringing in the most revenue? Knowing how to optimize your ads for sales and not just clicks and leads can make or break your ads and your business. Let's dive in. You might be running ads on Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever, and you can see how many clicks and leads you're getting, but here's the problem. Clicks and leads don't pay the bills. Sales do. Most ad platforms only tell you how many people signed up and not how many actually bought something, because traditional tracking tools rely on web pixels and don't actually connect to your revenue data. Pixels tracked opt-ins, but can't tell you which ads led to real paying customers. Google, Facebook, and other ad platforms also have notoriously short attribution windows. Plus, they just love to bend the data to make themselves look good. This is why many business owners have the experience of hearing Google and Facebook tell them they have lots of sales, but can't track their ads back to actual identifiable customers. This is where SegMetrics changes the game. With SegMetrics, you can track actual revenue back to specific ads, so you know exactly which campaigns are profitable. Let me show you how. Let's jump into SegMetrics to see how to trace revenue back to traffic sources. For this, we'll hop into the advertising report. This report gives us a ton of information about our ad performance, including spend, leads, cost per lead, customers, revenue, and return on ad spend. And with SegMetrics, if we tell you you have 146 customers, we'll show you 146 names and emails. You can even click on any number to open the contact ledger and see the data entries behind it. With SegMetrics, you get 100% transparency. You can even look at your top sources and view these results by account, campaign, ad set, and even the individual ads. With SegMetrics, you never have to second guess about which ads are working and which aren't. Why is this so powerful? Because when you have full visibility into your lifetime ad results, you can stop wasting money on ads that only bring in leads, but no sales. That means you can scale up the campaigns that are profitable and drop the campaigns that are losing you money. SegMetrics isn't just another analytics platform. It's your roadmap to profitable marketing. Well, that wraps things up for Just Ask Ian. We got lots more videos on the channel and new episodes coming to help you optimize your marketing with SegMetrics. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.